This is a video to show you how to operate Master Lock Key Safe. 24 hours prior to your arrival, you will receive your check-in instructions. These will include a 4-digit code for the Master Lock Key Safe, which is fitted outside the property. So what you do when you get to the property, you open up the black shutter door, pop in the key safe code that you've been sent. So in this case, we're just going to pop in 000 for this key safe. Make sure all the numbers are aligned. So this middle line, all the numbers have to be in one line. To open up the key safe, you will need both hands. So you simply pull this black tab down. So pull it down, and this will reveal the keys inside. To close up the key safe, simply put the keys back in, scramble up the numbers and shut the door. Just in case if the key for whatever reason is stuck and you cannot get it out, or you're struggling to get it out because sometimes it gets wedged in or the key tag gets stuck inside it. So press onto the key safe door a few times to try and release the key, and at the same time as pressing on it, pull down the black tab, and that should work. And if you take out the key, don't forget to scramble up the combination and shut the key safe door.